Rob, if you could recommend Cloud Connections to other Goodwill organizations across the country, what would you say the best part of working with us is and the reason for the partnership?
Yeah, well, first of all, they came with high recommendations, as I mentioned a while ago. So, and everything our Goodwill partners had told us was absolutely true. The team knows how to engineer meeting spaces. They know they hear the customer and what our objectives are, and even what we didn't realize we needed. So they put together a great solution. Very easy to understand, no high-tech lingo or anything like that. So, my team were comfortable in the solution that they were proposing and presented, and they just made it easy.